So a lot of people have videos up on how to change these out, but they don't tell you how to open them when they're closed. I mean, you got the tonneau cover here. That's not going to come off, but she's stuck, boys. So what you do, I have this tool here, but you can probably use needle nose. You just get up in there and pull it this way. Opens right up. Now you might have to. Yeah, I don't think mine is doing much on this side. This might be jammed or something. But there's that rod in there. Goes all the way across. Rod here goes all the way across. So you want to pull it out towards you. And this one, same thing. But here's the lock here. Mine seems to be a little broken. So we're just going to get up in there and see what's going on. But you need to get this open. That rod, pull it towards you. You might have to like move the tailgate in and out because it might be stuck. But you can see how it's moving. I might have to spray that with some penetrating oil. Might spray it in here, and if I can reach, like with the spritzer, try and get that rod that goes across. But these are what we're going to be taking off to get the handle out. So let's start taking those off first. Okay, so this one is a T40. Pick this truck up. It's got like a zillion miles on it. All right, so the other one, so the big one is what I said was a T40, and then the smaller bolt is a T30. It's got like a little spot for you to put your bolts when your piece of junk breaks. But I just bought this thing, and underneath this was about, I don't know, 2 inches of mud. I don't know where this thing was sitting. You can kind of smell it. Let's see if I can take this off now. Yeah, so this just pops off. This is held in with these little clips here, and then that's where those big long screws went through. So mine's obviously broke. I'm trying to like see what we got going on here. This is probably just frozen. So a lot of people cut this here. I'm probably going to also. I've seen a couple videos on that. So I'm gonna cut this right here, kind of where this line is. You guys, you don't have to. Yeah, I'm sure there's a way that you can kind of finagle this out. I've seen some guy just like pull this forward and slide it out this way, but I don't. It's a $1,200 truck, so you don't really care. So I made sure to get I can't cut a straight line for nothing. I might need a straight edge for this bad boy. I got the I got the worst razor blade I could find to ensure that I would cut my hand off. And apparently I should have brought a roller with me. So there's many ways to cut this. You can use a grinder, Dremel, sawzall. You can chew it off with your teeth. You can do a bunch of different things if you want. I mean, this is just fiberglass, so it's just gonna snap off here at some point. Just be careful, because you can't grow back fingers. Some of you, I mean, maybe some people can. 8 billion people in this world. It's got to be somebody that can grow back fingers. Okay, so we're getting through this. When you're cutting, don't use all your force. Make a couple cuts. Make sure you put that not here so that when it flies forward, it doesn't go in your face or something weird. Now, this is a how-to video, but I'm going to be honest with you guys. You might want to check another video. Alright, so this one's already broke, so we don't need to take that off. But we do have to take this one off, which is going to be this this little green clip here. Just get a little pocket screwdriver, you know, pry it out from the bottom, pry it out from the back, and then this will just come right off. It's kind of hard when this is obviously like bent, broken or something, but it's out. Super easy. These move actually really good, so that's good news. This one, not so bad. It's really just that side. It's latching. And we got this new latch from Amazon. So it looks like these little tabs just pop out like that. That's where your rod's gonna sit. So now we have that piece cut off. It should just slide right in. Getting the rods lined up, that's gonna be the fun part. Yeah, you just gotta sit here and play with it for a little while until you get it in. And there you go, got one side. Try and get this rod in. These don't have much movement. Alright. So I kind of want to get these bolts in. Need to align before I actually tighten up the rods. Yeah, see, it just aligns itself. Yeah, but again, a little tight, so it's probably cross-threaded. Don't care. It's Amazon for you. Tighten down. I just want to push these rods in. Pretty much skip the install. I mean, all you're doing is putting those 5 bolts back. I think why it's kind of going like that is I'm missing these pieces here. So here there's like a little rubber piece that sticks up, contacts that, so there's not any play. So I might order those off Amazon. Okay, so I've actually moved this a little bit. It's the same size, the T40, as that bolt there. So I did have to take the taillight out. And the taillight is just these two Phillips. One here, one there. And the reason I did that is because I wanted to move this closer to the tailgate latch. So now when we close this, this thing is aligned correctly. Sometimes over time these can loosen up. And if it hangs down too low or hangs up, or it's too far in, too far out, then it won't align itself very well with this latch. And then your one side won't even latch. Your tailgate's just bouncing around like that. So